freaking 0 gauge wire on the subwoofers. That is crazy.
I'm Adam Harvey. I got 3 2508s. I'm running 2 full throttle Group 31s. I got an M3 and a bamboo speaker box. Never seen another one like it. I've seen nobody build anything out of bamboo so far. The guy that built it told me that it was hard to cut because it's so hard. I ended up having to buy like a 75 tooth blade just to cut it so it'd keep that fine grain and keep from chipping it up. But other than that, I think it went pretty smooth so far. I looked around at a bunch of different 8s. From what I could tell, those were the most acoustical and had the most excursion out of all the different brands. V-ROM Surround by DD, it helps in keeping the cone and voice coil linear during high excursion. It sounds pretty good if you ask me.
Yeah.
I'll crank it up, let you hear it.
Take what is yours cause it's ours. Y'all stole my style, I shit on you like novels. And take all your princesses, bitch, I am yours.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, I have to say that sounds pretty impressive for what it is.
Subs, right?
For some small subs, that sounds damn good. Thanks for the demo, man.
Yeah, I just qualified up there earlier. I did 144.4 at 37 hertz.
So you literally just told me that you finished this build today, right?
This morning, yeah.
This morning at the show?
At the show like 5 minutes ago.
Because there's wood outside. I can see a plank of wood sitting outside. Is that your wood?
Yep.
What the f? Oh my god.
There, you want me to grab it?
Got a big 6th order with some Sundown subs.
Sundown XV215.
XV215s in a big 6th order.
Tryna stack this cash on the low, gotta test these cops. We was right on third and fourth.
bet those lows came in like out of nowhere, dude. Your whole cabin's just collapsing.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, I bet you're going home and doing some of those trim panels up a little different.
Yeah, I did this last night in a parking lot of my hotel with a jigsaw at 2 in the morning. Or
Dude, you should have seen it. It was like blah, blah, flexing everything in here, just going nuts.
This thing's got range though, too. It plays up to 60 hertz.
Right, it does, dude. Hell yeah. Let me get one little more sticker in there.
Yes, sir.
Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there. I appreciate you jamming it for me, dude.
Hey, no problem.
Make a nice little video there. What's your name one more time?
Tyler.
Tyler?
Yes, sir.
Heck yeah, dude. I'll have to chuck that up on the YouTubes for you.
Thank you.
Ah, yes, the epitome of this hobby. Never complete, but always in progress. And a huge hats off to Tyler for finishing the system that day. That's some true dedication right there and sets a great example for getting the job done, which leads us to today's blurb. Not all bass heads are obnoxious buttholes. Believe me, the goal is not to disturb the peace, but there's always gonna be that one dude in the neighborhood blasting 150s like his life depended on it. But besides that, generally people in this hobby are pretty respectful. So if you're new to this, the next time you hear someone blasting behind you, don't assume the worst in the person. They're more than likely just a little bit caught in the moment listening to an awesome sounding song and forgot to pay attention to their surroundings. I can't lie. It happens to the best of us.
The music is so loud from your vehicle that it knocks their knickknacks off the shelves.
So moving on, let's wrap up today with another crazed out car audio setup straight from the Boost Doctor's son. The craziest alternator setup I've seen in a while. 0 gauge speaker wire and 6 Orions crammed into such a tiny, tiny space. Let's check this out.
Uh, 668, 311Ks at 2 ohms. And you know my daddy, Boost Doctor.
Hey, my mama said, fuck it, nigga, hit the streets and live. Got some crack, but I'm told her and I did what I did. The night I got paid. So my grandma, got my
Well, that'll just about have to do it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Another trifecta of some car audio fun. Always a good time when bass is on the menu. We've got plenty more videos coming up for this week, so be sure to stay tuned and subscribed. And thanks for supporting our Patreon page. All the people you see right here have taken it upon themselves to help us grow as a channel. So thank you so much. And until the next video, this is EXO signing out.